What are you cooking for your sibling this Rakhi? I have decided to make these delicious Mini Ghewar Tarts, which are my brother's favorite.
First thing we need is Modicare Soul Flavor Cow Ghee, which is made from fresh cow milk. It has a rich aroma and a granular texture that brings delectable flavor and taste to food. Add in the maida and crumb the mix. Now let's add water and the other ingredients and make a smooth thin batter. To fry our Ghewar, I'm using Modicare Soul Flavors Active Rice Bran Oil, which has up to 15% less oil absorption, leading to less calories and yummier food. I'm also adding in Modicare Soul Flavors Cow Ghee to bring its delectable flavor into my Ghewar. Modicare Soul Flavors Active Rice Bran Oil is perfect for Indian cooking, stir frying and deep frying due to its high smoke point. It is trans fat free and is fortified with vitamins and helps lower bad cholesterol. Wow! Just look at how great the Ghewar looks. Spoon over the sugar syrup on the Ghewar and let it drain. Spoon the rabri on top and decorate with cut fruits and nuts. So, what are you waiting for? Go make this delicious treat and brighten up your festivities. Detailed recipe is in captions.